Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Cooking with Cleo. How no do? I hope you're good enough. I hope you all are doing okay. Alright, so today guys, on my channel I'm going to be making chicken kebabs, and I'm using one chicken breast. It's a big breast and it's just me. Okay, so I have here some pineapple, red and green bell pepper. I have a red onion as well. I have a little powder seasoning here, onion, garlic. You know, I like my Maggi, and I have some Old Bay and a little cinnamon. I like flavoring my food, guys. So this is what I'll be doing in my kitchen today. Remember, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please to do so. Thank you so much for all my new subscribers, and thank you for my day one supporters. Thank you all, guys. I do appreciate you all. Thanks. So guys, I already cleaned my chicken, so I'm just gonna go ahead and cut my chicken. Guys, I'm going to cut them in bite-sized pieces like so. If I need all of the onion, so I'll just start with this piece first, this half. Okay, cut them like this size. So anyways guys, this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to season my chicken, and I'm going in with some chicken season. If you have cumin and that, you can use it. You use what you want on your meat. Okay, this is garlic powder. I'm using what I want on mine, my all-purpose. A little tips of cinnamon, just a little tips, guys. Some Old Bay, and I'm not doing a lot of seasoning on it, and a little salt. Black pepper, paprika. So guys, I'm gonna go in with a little barbecue sauce, not a lot, because I'm not trying to make barbecue chicken kebabs here. Okay, see that? Maybe about a teaspoon, not even a tablespoon. Okay, and I'm gonna go in with some olive oil. Now guys, I'm gonna season my vegetables here. You don't have to, but I'm doing it with mine because I need flavor. I need flavor in mine, right? So that's what I'm going to do. I'm just gonna let this sit for about 15 minutes before I cook it. All right, guys, it's been sitting for 20 minutes. I'm gonna put a little cayenne on mine. Okay. I like my spice. Okay. All right, so I'm gonna go in now, and you can put your skewer, your chicken on your skewer or how you like to. All right. I don't think it's a right or a wrong way to do it. You just do it the way you like. Just give it a little space in between, not much, but okay. And just try to cut your chicken on the same size so they cook evenly, alright? My pineapple. This is the only thing I didn't season, guys. Don't have to put them in any particular order, guys. Alright guys, so here I have it, all seasoned and ready to go. How beautiful is that looking? Oh, my grill here is hot, so I'm gonna put my I'm gonna fry these guys for about 3 minutes or so, just to get some sear on it, and then I'll put them in the oven. So I'm gonna put them in the oven now. Guys, I'm baking mine for 350. Guys, I'm baking it at 350 for about 30 minutes. There it is, guys. Is all done. My chicken kabobs, all done. Remember to like, share, subscribe to my channel. Smelling so delicious. Thank you for watching, guys. Be blessed. Bye.